Oh wait, this one's not recording. Never mind, it's recording. Hi, I'm Frank, and I want to talk to you about getting into developing Arduino projects and what we do here at CircuitsFun. Arduino is great for prototyping electronic component-based projects. If you want a quick intro on Arduino, there are heaps, but we've made a short animation that makes it really easy to understand the basics of how an Arduino board works. I'll put the link in the description. For those of you just getting into Arduino, I would also highly recommend you check out Arduino Hub, which is a great platform where Arduino users share their projects. If you check it out, you can see all sorts of things Arduino is capable of and perhaps inspire you to create your own idea. Here at CircuitsFun, we've built our own personal projects, including a reaction game, a digital piano, and an obstruction avoidance car, my personal favorite. At the beginning, we just started making these Arduino projects for fun, and that's what we want you to experience, to have fun with creating your projects. What we do is help people who want to play with Arduino projects but are having difficulties. Like, what does this code mean? Why doesn't this component work? Why doesn't my whole project work? We have learning material and programs you can follow for all ages, so that you can understand the core structure of Arduino and the electronic components, so that next time you see a crazy Arduino Hub project, you can be like, hey, it's not as complicated as I thought. And if you've got your own project idea, even better. We can help you to refine and develop that idea and actually provide you the skills to build your project yourself. So this video was just a quick intro to our followers and to the Arduino programming community. We're going to start creating more videos relating to Arduino, like how to use some popular Arduino components, and we'll also try to explain common problems with programming with Arduino that a lot of people, including ourselves, have had, and how to avoid and fix them. So if you haven't already, follow us on our social medias, check out our website at circuitsfun.com. If you have any questions for us or any topics you want us to cover in future videos, leave a comment, email us. We'd be happy to hear from you. That's all for this video. See you next time.